Hello, it's nice that you're here again. This is the fourth of a series of 6 video explainers to introduce the Making It Safe workshop, which can be held in person or online. The Making It Safe workshop is a women-only workshop which I researched and designed. It brings women together to inspire strategies against sexual harassment. The full-day workshop explores 6 themes which you can find in the notes below. This video explains theme 4, stories that keep you safe. In this thematic exploration, the question we ask is, what kind of stories inspire you to make it safe for yourself and for others? And what kind of stories would you like more of? One woman I interviewed talks about the story of her woman friend. One night, her friend was walking home when a man slowed down his car and pulled up next to her. Instinctively, she knew what he was about to do. So she stuck her face to his window and made a mad face like she was crazy. The man couldn't drive away fast enough. What is so powerful about this story is that the woman who heard it from her friend then retold the story to the schoolgirls under her care, who were being harassed repeatedly by a flasher. Just in case you don't know what a flasher is, he's a man who deliberately exposes his genitals to girls and women. Now, this woman told the schoolgirls the next time he comes around, you can make faces, point and laugh at him, or charge at him like you're all crazy. Another story that kept a young girl and her friend safe came from her grandmother. Her grandmother would tell her not to turn her back on a man if he started asking her questions. He will throw a rope around your neck and strangle you, her grandmother said. Perhaps the story was inappropriate for a young child, but this was the story that kept the girl and her friend safe when a stranger asked them to look out for him while he peed. I am not kidding. There was an alarm bell in my head that we should not turn our back on him and that we needed to escape, she said. And thankfully, they were able to run away when they noticed it was safe to do so. In this thematic exploration, we also share what stories didn't keep you safe so that we can learn to spot them better when they are told to girls and women. And finally, we discuss our answers to the question, what kind of stories would you like more of so that we can better advocate for them? By the end of this thematic exploration, you will become even more aware of the power of stories to make it safe or unsafe for women, and how these stories are part of the fabric of the societies that we live in, and that they can be changed if they no longer serve us. And by the end of the workshop, you will leave with more ideas and inspiration and more confidence for strategies you can adapt and adopt immediately for making places and relationships safe for yourself and others. To find out more about this women only workshop, click on the link below. And if you want to be inspired to have more and better strategies against sexual harassment, register now before the early bird prize expires.